You'll see how to remove and reinstall the windshield wiper arms on a Chrysler 300, Dodge Charger, or Dodge Magnum. You only need 4 tools: a ratchet wrench, 15mm socket, a thin flat tip screwdriver, and some masking or painter's tape. You can check out all the tools used in the description below, as well as a written step-by-step guide to include torque recommendations. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to learn more ways to fix your car yourself and save that money. Let's start. First, put some tape by each wiper blade so you can line them back up later. Now I'll remove the driver's side wiper blade, which is easier than the passenger side, which you'll see me remove after this. Grab a thin bladed tip like a screwdriver and pry off this cap. Then remove this nut with a ratchet wrench and a 15mm socket. Bend the wiper arm and push down, and then up where it flexes to release the wiper arm from its splines. Very easy to remove. Now you'll see the slightly harder, or I guess I would really say trickier side, that being the passenger side. Similarly, like before, use a flat tip to remove the plastic cap. Now grab a 15mm socket and ratchet and loosen it. You have to reach further on the passenger side. Like before, push down and push up. And I am having a hard time getting this, so give the wiper arm some taps right above the nut. Okay, good. See? Now this turns. Well, I wasn't doing that. Now, just kind of push down and up. There we go. Tell me in the comments if this trick helped you. Okay, now to reinstall, grab your driver's side wiper blade arm and just see how this flex right here? Just push it in and it's in. You can line it up with that piece of tape if you want right now. Screw the nut in. Go ahead and grab a 15mm socket and ratchet. Tighten it. Now to reinstall the passenger. Passenger side's a little bit easier because it's just closer. So go ahead and grab it. See how this flex right here? Just go ahead and push it. That's it. Position it the way you want it to. The nut on. Then grab your 15mm socket and ratchet. Also, torque each nut to 13 foot-pounds. That's how easy it is to put on a wiper control arm. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Check out the other helpful videos on this channel. And let me know of your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.